Hey everyone, want to connect to an SFTP server using FileZilla? In this video, I'll show you how to set up an SFTP connection step by step. Yeah, SFTP provides a secure way to transfer files between your computer and a server, making it a great option for managing important data. First, open FileZilla on your computer. Make sure you have FileZilla client installed and ready before starting the connection process. Next, open the Site Manager by clicking File and then Site Manager from the top menu. This section allows you to save and manage your server connections for easier access. Now click New Site and enter a name for your SFTP connection. Using a clear name helps you identify the server easily if you create multiple connections. After creating the site, change the protocol option to SFTP, which stands for SSH File Transfer Protocol. Then enter your host address, port number, username, and password provided by your hosting provider or server administrator. Once your connection details are entered, click Connect. FileZilla will attempt to establish a secure connection with your SFTP server. If this is your first time connecting, FileZilla may show a server fingerprint message asking you to confirm the connection. Review the information and continue if you trust the server. After connecting successfully, your server files will appear in the Remote Site section on the right side, while your computer files remain on the left side. This layout makes transferring files between locations very simple. You can now upload files to the server or download files to your computer by dragging and dropping them between the two sections. If the SFTP connection fails, check your server address, username, password, port number, and make sure your account has SFTP access. So correct connection details are the key to a successful setup. And that's how you connect to SFTP with FileZilla. With a secure SFTP connection, you can safely manage and transfer files between your computer and server. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.